Hey everyone, it's Miss Carly and really excited to share with you a wig from Noble Wig right here. I don't know if you have tried any wigs from the Noble Wig line on Amazon. I truly feel like they are some of the best quality affordable wigs on Amazon. A lot of great attributes to them that make them just like super luxe. So this one is gonna be this sultry fall sexy girl right here. I mean, just check out this wine ombre color and it just fades with these amazing curls to this poppy kind of wine color. I'm literally obsessed with it. Not only the color, but this wave pattern. And of course, I always love when there are some shorter layers in the front. She's very light, as you can see, she's bouncy and oh, little dream sent from above. So let's just flip this girl around and then, oh my gosh, I totally didn't even see this, but look at these front highlights. Oh my gosh. This wig is literally going to make moves without saying a word to anyone. I mean, she's gonna be breaking hearts. There's just no way around this. I'm just obsessed. Okay, so let's get into the construction of her. So she does have a nice parting right here. And then what makes her a little bit special with the parting is that she actually has like the Swiss lace parting. So it's like a double lace right here. As you can see, she kind of has pretty thick baby hairs. I don't know what I'm gonna do with those. I'm not normally one for laying them down, but we'll see what happens when I cut it off. But she is a 13x4 lace parting right here. And her lace is soft and it is a transparent lace as well. She does have some combs, of course, 2 on the side and then 1 in the back with the fasteners. As for her stretch, yeah, she would definitely be a large head friendly wig. She has a really nice amount of stretch to her, but of course she is a medium cap. But let's just whip this girl on. I'm just gonna put my hair back in a low pony. That's what I've been doing lately. Okay, so I put my wigs on front to back. Okay, so here she is, and also you can see with the length, she is, for me, she would probably be at the 22 inches, which is a perfect wig length for me. So let's talk about this hairline really quickly, because also as I'm looking at these baby hairs, you know, it's a little much for me as I normally don't really lay them down. I don't mind having a couple where I kind of like swoop them around, but I'm probably gonna cut most of them off. But the actual hairline, so definitely I would say this one would definitely need some assistance if you were really worried about it. She's definitely much better right here, which is probably the most important part with these baby hairs. But let's just cut off this lace. Okay, now this definitely feeling it with it being cleaned up a lot more. What I will do sometimes with the parting, which I will do now, is I just take a little powder. This is actually from the dollar store, LA Colors. It is the perfect color. I believe it's in, oh yeah, it's a nude. And I'll just pat in right down the parting just to add a little bit more pop. Okay, so now I'm gonna take my wig brush right here and lightly brush her out. Pretty standard of very minimal shedding right there, which is very normal. But let's just get a little bit more into this wig and also shifting it side to side for different looks. Also, this wig is heat safe, so if you do want to straighten her out or do whatever you'd like, you can do that absolutely. All right, so let's shift her to the right eyebrow. Okay, so this is a very doable switch right here. The curls are definitely of the face framing on this side, so definitely no issues there. So let's switch it to the other side, which is where I usually part my hair. My left eyebrow. Oh yes, like this is it for sure. This one sweeping curl is all I need, but this looks great on this side. Wow, just love it. And this color is just so striking. I I just love it. I love when a wig has multi-dimensional colors. And like I mentioned, what they do, like this face framing where it has a little bit more up the front than, you know, in the back, if you will, as you can see. Just a little recap of what we got going on here. This wig is from Noble Wig. Definitely check it out. Of course, link is down below. I really want to know, of course, if you have this stunner wig or if you have another color of this series right here. So reach out to me on Instagram. Such a great way for you to send me photos of you and your wigs and your makeup looks and just living your best life. I love when you reach out to me. Remember that life is all about having fun, and if something fuels your soul or makes you feel alive, like go in that direction. Go in that way, because you will become unstoppable if you follow that path of passion. So if this wig or any other wig or crazy eyelashes makes you feel that way, go there. Of course, I want to thank you all for watching, and we